Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Herman and I hope you're having a good day, good weekend or good week, depending on when you're watching this. And yeah, the scenery is a bit different behind now. I decided I want to switch up the background a bit, but yeah, so this video is going to be a bit, again, training focused as it usually is, and now it's going to be, contain 3 training days. And with the second day being the special one with that containing the stair trainings. A stair training day, which I feel like is it's a very good, interesting day to record and to show you guys how I train at the stairs. But before we get into that, we're gonna have to take a quick trip to see how I made my breakfast last week, and then we're gonna get into the training. So, see you in a bit. And that right there was all I had recorded for the training that Wednesday, which was nothing. Luckily, my dad was there at the track, like behind the track, and he got to film the 150 meters. So I'll be showing that there. And then after that 150 meter, I'll be taking you guys to the stairs to show you how I train at the stairs, which is interesting, I guess. So see you then. Hei Johannes, takk for kommentaren på forrige video, og nå skal jeg for første gang faktisk snakke norsk i mine videoer. Og ja, så jeg skal nå dra til noen trapper og gjøre noen trappetrening for å få en litt sånn kondisjon og litt spenst. Og ja, som du ser her, dette er ikke det typiske spanske været, og ja, jeg hørte at det skal regne litt, så ja, får håpe på det beste og håpe at det blir ikke for masse regn, og at man får trent hardt uansett. Alright guys, so we're at the place where we're going to be training at the stairs, and yeah, we're going to do some series like running up the stairs, and then we're going to do some jumping on the stairs after. And I think we're going to have to train a bit quicker today because the weather's quite bad, and we're going to have to make this a fast one. So this is going to be today's venue. I'm going to be running up these stairs, like not down there, but like it goes further down. Well, I'll cut to the end. Yeah, here we continue on from the stairs, and it's well, as you can see, I'm starting at around about there, and I'm going to be running all the way up here, and we're going to do that three series of 3 runs up, where I'll have I'll run 2 of them with ankle weights and then 1 without. So yeah, we got the weights here, and yeah, we'll wish me luck, and I hope I don't slip.
Suppose there are times when you lose your troubled mind. Suppose there are times when you're feeling undefined. Suppose there are days when you call this a touch of gray. That's when you call me and know just what to say. We go out and on the night, we jump and touch the light. We dance and we don't sleep until we die. We don't have to worry, drink up the night, it's early. Keep dancing, dancing, just running right.
Alright guys, I've just done the stair runs. Now we're going to be doing some stair jumping up these stairs. We're gonna jump. So I do some like leg jumps and then like some might do some single leg jumps and then afterwards some like frequency steps, and then that should be the training for today. See you then. So now we're going to set up some hurdles, and we're going to do some mobility. Alright guys, so we just finished the training for today. We had quite a tough 2 days with the stairs that we did yesterday and well, not really tough today, but like it was like quite tiring. So we're gonna go home and watch some TV, and then we're gonna go train tomorrow. And that right there is the video. Those were those 3 days of trainings. Well, 2 1/4 if you can call it that. So those are just the highlights of well, and how I trained the stairs in particular, like, which is like, I feel like it's an important day to show you guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video, because this next video is going to be about the provincial club championships here in Alicante, where the best clubs in the province will be competing against each other, and I will try to get some footage for that competition. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like down below and subscribe and ring the notification bell if you want to stay tuned for more. And yeah, that's all I have to say for now. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Herman, out.